Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the speed at which Task Manager updates its data. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do first, just open up Task Manager here, and you want to select the View tab. So go ahead and left click on that. Select Update Speed, and you can adjust it anywhere between high, low, normal, or paused. So if you select pause, it shouldn't change at all. If you select fast or high, I should say, it should update very quickly. So again, it depends on what your processes are doing, if they're actually changing or fluctuating that much, but pretty straightforward process here, guys. If I open up Chrome or one of these browsers, it should definitely be a little bit more visible here in terms of how quick it updates. So you can see Chrome is updating very quickly here. And if I were to do update speed low, you're going to see it's going to slow down significantly. You see it's barely even moving anymore. So that's probably a much better example here to go with. And paused, it won't change at all. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.